Yep, you can definitely hear it. Hi, Swiss Experiments Nico here. It's already been a year. If you guys are coming on my channel for this specific event, well, I'm in a new place, and we got new sirens to check out this year. So let's sit down. It's exactly, wait, I can't actually tell. It's 13:28 and 55 seconds, so that means in a minute the sirens up there are gonna sound. Well, you can definitely hear the others, but this one doesn't seem to be working. Interesting. So what's interesting is that it was about a minute late. So I think they're still manually triggered at 1:30 and then automatically triggered at 1:35. So I'll see in a few minutes. So for the second test, I wanted to try something else. Usually I'm out filming, but what if I was inside and I didn't know the sirens were gonna go off? This is a triple pane glass, and it's very well insulated. I generally cannot hear anything that happens on the outside unless it's very loud, which is obviously the case with the sirens. But let's say I was sitting down having dinner. Let's see if it still works. All right, I can definitely hear it. But it is definitely quieter as well. Now let's see. If I were to open just lightly, much louder. Even this way. All right. So interesting trivia. In the past, they used to also act as speakers. So they would not only emit the siren sound, but also used it as, well, speakers. And they would transmit some sort of information such as this is just a test. It was many years ago. But nowadays, I think they only sound the siren, and then they rely on the radio or TV or even the phone application to give information to the citizens. Right, looks like we got the water emergency siren as well. Interesting, that's in case of flooding. I did not know that we were at risk over here. I hope you guys enjoyed it, as always, and if you come on my channel just for this siren, well, I guess I'll see you next year. And if you guys are just generally subscribed or watching the random stuff I post, well, then maybe see you sooner. Leave a like, leave a comment. See you next time. Bye-bye.